Good morning, students. Myself, Pawar Manisha from KJ Somaya College, Kopargaon. Today, we are going to see CHO 451 Advanced Synthetic Organic Chemistry. So, in that subject, we can see the second section, multi-component reaction. So, in multi-component reaction, we can see the first of all Paasarni reaction. So, now we can discuss the first of all related to the multi-component reaction. So, what is the multi-component reaction? It is in this reaction we can use the 3 or 4 component. For the reaction mechanism, we will give the final product. Here in Paasarni reaction we can use the 3 component, that is aldehyde or ketone acid plus isocyanide. These 3 component we can use for the Paasarni reaction. In Paasarni reaction we have to discuss the introduction. It is an multi-component reaction. We have to use 3 components, aldehyde, ketone and isocyanide. In that reaction mechanism, polar solvent can be used. Here C triple bond N R3. This is the isocyanide. In final product we give the alpha acetoxamide. So the mechanism of Paasarni reaction. In first step, protonation takes place. So protonation takes place between the aldehyde and acid. Here R2C double bond OH in presence of solvent. This is the methanol used for the solvent of that reaction mechanism. So lone pair of oxygen can abstract this acidic hydrogen. This bond can be shifts on oxygen atom, formation of the enolate ion. So R1C double bond OH plus here H plus formation of the enolate ion O minus. This is the first step. Protonation can be takes place between aldehyde and acid. In second step, we can write down in second step nucleophilic addition of isocyanide. So see here, this is the R1C double bond OH plus here again hydrogen plus reaction with isocyanide. Negative charge, positive charge. This carbanium can attack on this carbonyl carbon, stabilize the positive charge over the oxygen atom, formation of R1COH. So bond between this carbon and this isocyanide carbon triple bond N R3, nitrogen carries positive charge as it is. So bond formation between this carbon and this carbon. In next step, in first step, protonation takes place and enolate can be formed. So this enolate can be reacts here. So R2C double bond O minus. This enolate ion can be attack on this carbon, stabilize the positive charge over the nitrogen atom, formation of R1COH OH H C double bond N R3 O, bond between this carbon and this oxygen, O C double bond O R2. This intermediate can be formed. So see here again, rearrangement can be takes place, formation of the final product. So this step can be very important. Rearrangement can be possible here. So lone pair of oxygen attack on this carbonyl carbon. This bond revert back. At that time, this bond shifts on this carbon oxygen. This bond shifts on this nitrogen atom. Formation of the alpha acetoxamide product. So write down here this side, R2 C double bond O C R1 H C double bond O NH R3. This is your final product, that is a alpha acetoxamide product. So in overall reaction, see here, protonation takes place, nucleophile addition of isoside will give the alpha acetoxamide product.